Let's have some time with farm animals. Hey kids, welcome back in a new video. If you are new in this video, so please subscribe our channel Aleeza and Farzana. Also click the bell icon for get our new videos notification. First is horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. Horse means ghoda. Second is cow. C-O-W. Cow. Cow means guy. Third farm animal is sheep. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. Sheep means bhed. Fourth farm animal is goat. G-O-A-T. Goat. Goat means bakri. Fifth farm animal is rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. Rabbit means khargosh. The sixth farm animal is chicken. C-H-I-K-E-N. Chicken. Chicken means murga. Seventh farm animal is duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. Duck means battak. Eighth farm animal is turkey. T-U-R-K-E-Y. Turkey. Turkey means turkey. Ninth farm animal is pig. P-I-G. Pig. Pig means suwar. The next farm animal is donkey. D-O-N-K-E-Y. Donkey. Donkey means gadha. Hey kids, if you enjoy this video, please like and share and don't forget to subscribe our channel Aleeza and Farzana. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.